back with another video, the Stoner Coder. Today we'll be doing LeetCode question 1071, greatest common divisors of strings. Make sure you guys hit that like button and always subscribe for more amazing content. So let's do it. For two strings s and t, we say t divides s if and only if s equals t plus ... plus t. For example, t is concatenated with itself one or more times. So what this means, let's see. Given two strings str1 and str2, return the largest string x such that x divides both into str1 and str2. Example 1. str1 is equal to abc, string 2 is equal to abc. And now we know that since string 2 is the least length, right? This can only be the greatest common divisor right here of three characters. So ABC, as you can see, it repeats itself right here, ABC and ABC. So that's why our output is ABC. For example 2, string 1 is AB. String 1 is AB, and string 2 is AB. Thus the output will be AB, since that's the largest unique divisor. For example 3, str1 is equal to leet and str2 is equal to code. And since there's no common divisor between any of them, we know that there is no output. So for this, what I want to do first is I want to get a length for both string 1 and string 2. And how we do this, we just do len1 is equal to the len of str1, and we do the same thing for len2. Len of str2. Now here I want to go into a for loop that ranges basically it goes through each character of each string. So what I want to do is do for L in range. Now I want to get the minimum of length 1 or length 2, so we can do min len1 comma len2, and this is our starting point, right? I want it to go to 0, and I wanted it to decrement once per loop. So we can write that as hashtag start comma end and comma the jump. Now I want to check if it's a divisor, basically at that point. So what I want to do is make a new function called isDivisor. We'll initiate that a little later, but let's call it isDivisor. L, I want it to return str1. Oops, str1. Cut at L. Oh, whoops, I gotta use regular brackets for this. Dash. There we go. So what we can do here, we can write our other function up here. So let's define it. We're going to define this function inside our main function. So def is divisor, just like usual. I'm going to pass in parameter L. And what we're going to do, the first we want to check if len1 modulus L or len2 modulus L. We want to return false if that's the case. So we got our initial check statement. So that what we want to do is create two variables. So let's call it let's say f1 is equal to len1, and this is a division operator, but it floors it since it's two slashes. And let's call it f2 is equal to len2 / L. Now I want to return str1 at put this inside, cut off at L times the modifier, which is f1. Basically what this does is it checks where to cut off in the main string. And we want to return whether or not this is true or false. So let's say str1 and str1. We'll do the same thing again. Times the f2 modifier is equal to str2. Now let's see if I got all my syntax right. str1 looks right. This looks right. Oh, yep, that's right. Looks right to me. But now we want to check our last condition right here. So if nothing happens here, I just want to return an empty string. Let's say that. Return empty string. Return. That should work. Let's try to run it. Oh, I forgot the colon right here. Let me just make sure I didn't forget colon anywhere else. Let's try to run it now. Perfect. As you can see, it passed all 3 test cases. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. Make sure y'all get blazed before you do your LeetCode. But check back in for tomorrow for the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.